back to Mom Toxic. Happy Pride Month! As it is Pride Month, we thought of making a rainbow dream catcher. To see the whole process, watch till the end.
We will need one circular ring like this, a ball of yarn, glue, flowers are your choice. You can add feathers, mirrors, pearls. We will just add mirrors and these rainbow ribbons. First, wrap the ring with the yarn. After wrapping, tie one end of the yarn on the circular ring. Then follow the process I am showing you. Remember to pull the yarn through the arc. Make sure that the distance between two yarn will be same. After doing one end, then again follow the same process. Pull the yarn through the small arc you made and it will be a triangle. Then just pull it through and you will get that wow pattern. It's so much easy. It just looks complicated, but it is actually really easy. Just follow the procedure I am doing. Do this until you get to the end. Tie a knot in the middle to secure the pattern. And there you have it. The upper portion is complete, almost complete. Now paste the ribbons in the VIBGYOR form. We have put the violet in the middle and we did the rainbow patterns. Take a yarn and tie it like this. It will be the hook on which the dream catcher will be supported. Now take some mirrors or pearls or anything you like, anything of your choice. We will paste the yarn on these mirrors. Do it like this and it will be much easier and even. We will at least need 10 of this. Now tie this after two same color ribbons. You can tie it or paste it, your choice. I prefer tying. Now you can look at the end result. It looks so much cool and we also cut it in a triangular V shape. Now just paste some feathers if you like. It's totally your choice. we will make some butterflies. We will make the butterflies of the same color as the rainbow. Cut it and you will get these little butterflies. You have to make a lot of this. Now as it is at it gets, just paste it. Paste the same colored butterfly on top of the same colored ribbon. You can be messy, it doesn't matter. Butterflies are meant to fly. And stop right at the middle. We have pasted all the butterflies. Now we will need some glitter. We have pasted the glitter on the yarn and some on the butterflies to make it pop out. And there you have it, the rainbow dream catcher. I think it looks pretty good. What do you guys think? Please let us know. This is the end result, and we have made another one just for practice and it turned out pretty good. So like, share and subscribe to Bong Toxic. Bye bye. See you.